Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell internationally on eBay. For example, you already added a product onto your listings. And we can see here on to the shipping item, the word shipping options. Click on it and we can turn on or toggle on the button that says international shipping. After turning it on, we are now able to ship a specific product internationally, whether it is available. And then after that, we can also go on to the domestic shipping and choose a cost type, like a calculated or a flat rate. Now, I highly recommend it to choose onto the calculated, and then we can add a primary service and other type of informations like international shipping, toggle it on, and we can wait for it to load wherein we need to update any kind of informations. Like for example, this one, a calculated cost varies based onto the buyer location. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.